Hey there, today we're going to look at Kixie PowerCall and SMS Tutorial 2026. So let's get started. First, open Kixie and sign in to your account. Over here, go to the PowerCall dialer to begin using calling features. Then, check your contact list and click on any number you want to call. After that, use the call controls to mute, hold, or transfer the call. Then, open the SMS tab inside the PowerCall window. Over here, type your message in the text box. After that, click Send to deliver the SMS instantly. Then, check the message thread to view replies and past conversations. After that, use the call disposition options once your call ends. Over here, select the result of the call to update your CRM automatically. Then, attach notes if needed. After that, save everything so your activity syncs properly. Then, go to the Settings section. Over here, customize your caller ID, voicemail drop, and routing options. After that, adjust your SMS templates for quick replies. Then, make sure your integrations with CRM tools are enabled. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.